The shaded region in the graph below represents the solution set to which the following system of inequalities. So we have a set of inequalities right here. So I'm going to focus on this first inequality right here. So we see that y and negative x plus 2, in 4 of the answer choices, there's something that involves that. So let's take a look at that. So this is the line right here. And so we're likely going to need something that has that shaded on this side of the line. So the origin, if we were to put the origin, plug in the origin, we need something that satisfies the equation. So if we had 0, so in A, for example, if we tried 0, 0, we get 2 is greater than 0, which works. B, we'd get 0 is greater than 2, which is not true. And C, we'd get the same thing. And then D, we get the same thing as A, so that works. And then E, if we tried 0, we get negative 2 greater than 3, which works. 0, negative 1 is greater than 3, which is false. So E doesn't work, E is out, B is out, and C is out. Because 0, 0 should be included in our solution set. So now what's left is the circle. And so we're given both equations, and they're the same except for the less than sign and greater than sign. So why don't we plug in 0, 0 again and see whether this works. So in A, so let me, so in A, we have, so negative 1 squared is 1 plus 1 less than 9. And in B, we have, if we plug in 0, 0, we have 1 plus 1 is greater than 9. And obviously, B is false, A is true. And so, or, whoops, not B, but D. And so D cannot be the answer. And so our answer is going to be A. And by just looking at these answer choices, we were able to find the answer. And plugging in 0, 0 here was the key. Not only was this an easy point to plug in, but it was also a point that allowed us to find out information about whether whether a given system of inequalities was satisfied with in the circle, outside the circle, to the right of this line, to the left of this line. So it was a really versatile point to use. And we didn't have to think about this inequality sign too much because we were able to just plug in 0, 0. And so by getting in the habit of just plugging in numbers that are easy, we were able to get the answer. And so we go with A here.